Social media management. How to make $3,000 a month. Most people think social media management is dead. They're wrong. Dead wrong. In fact, right now, there are regular people making $3 to $5 grand a month managing Instagram and TikTok accounts for small businesses. And the crazy part? Many of them started with zero experience. Today, I'm showing you exactly how. Part 1. The actual opportunity. Here's what nobody tells you. Small business owners are drowning. They're trying to run their company while simultaneously becoming a social media expert, which is impossible. A yoga studio owner can't teach classes and film reels. A plumber can't fix pipes and strategize hashtags. They need help. That's where you come in. The social media management space is completely different from 5 years ago. It's not saturated anymore because everyone moved on to the next shiny thing. The businesses that need help the most? They're not tech companies. They're local service businesses, hair salons, real estate agents, fitness coaches, restaurants, pet grooming shops. These people have money and they're desperate for someone to handle their content. Here's the money math. A salon owner makes $50,000 a year in profit. A small real estate agent makes $80,000 to $120,000. They'll happily pay $300 to $500 a month to someone who can book them more clients through social media. That's your entry point. Part 2. The actual system. This breaks into 3 phases. First, you skill stack. Second, you build a basic portfolio. Third, you land clients and systematize. Phase 1. Skill stack in 30 days. You don't need fancy certifications. You need to understand what actually converts. Spend a week watching every successful local business Instagram account in your area. What do they post? Reels, stories, and carousel posts. That's it. Not a mystery. Spend another week on YouTube learning basic video editing. CapCut is free and it's all you need. Seriously. Spend 3 days learning basic copywriting. Ryan Holiday's Perennial Seller is a good book. Or just study the comments on high engagement posts. See what makes people actually comment and save content. The final week? Start a test account. Not for you. For a fake business. Create a fake coffee shop account. Post 5 times a week for 2 weeks. Test different caption styles. Test different posting times. See what gets engagement. This teaches you everything you need. Phase 2. Portfolio building. Here's the sneaky part. You don't need real clients to get your first real clients. Reach out to 3 small business owners you know personally. A friend's yoga studio. Your cousin's cleaning service. Your neighbor's dog training business. Offer to manage their social for 30 days completely free. Just one ask. Let you use the results in your portfolio. They say yes 90% of the time because it's free. You work your butt off for 30 days. You create content. You strategize captions. You respond to comments. And after 30 days, you have a portfolio showing real results. Real businesses. Real engagement increases. Document everything. Screenshots of before and after follower counts. Before and after engagement rates. Testimonials from the business owners saying how great you were. This is your social proof. Phase 3. Getting paid clients. Now you have leverage. Create a simple 1-page PDF service offering. Here's what it includes. 3 tiers. Starter at $300 a month. Includes 4 reels and 8 stories per month. Professional at $500. Includes 8 reels, 8 stories, and daily engagement work. Premium at $1,000. Full service content creation, strategy, and community management. Then you target the exact businesses who need this. Join local Facebook groups. Join LinkedIn. Find salon owners. Find real estate agents. Find fitness coaches. Direct message them. Here's what you say. Hey Sarah, I noticed your Instagram hasn't posted in 3 weeks. That's costing you clients. I manage social for salons in the area and I've helped similar salons book 15 to 20 extra appointments per month just through Instagram. Want to grab a quick call? You'll get responses. Maybe not 50%, maybe 25%, but every conversation with a business owner is gold because they already have money and they already know they need help. Part 3, the revenue math. Let's be real about scaling. If you land 5 clients at $300 each, that's $1,500 a month. Add 3 clients at $500. You're at $3,300 a month. That's your $3K target. You can manage 10 solid clients without burning out if you systematize using content batching. Film all your reels in 1 day. Write all your captions in 2 hours. Schedule everything on Sunday night. Call to action. This works right now in 2024. The demand is real. The barrier to entry is low. But you have to actually start. Not tomorrow. Not next week. This week. If this helped you, smash that subscribe button. We drop videos on making real money every single week. Thanks for watching.